Do you feel you're too young or too old to be a selling superpower? Do you think that prospects don't take you seriously because you're too young and still wet behind the ears? Or you're too old and you must be out of touch? Now, I've lived long enough to live on both ends of those spectrums. Age is just a number when it comes to sales, whether you're 20 or 70. Success in sales is about skills, mindset, and perseverance, not your birth year. Let's dive in. Do you think sales is a young person's game? Think again. I'm 70 years old, and I'm still closing deals like it's the first day on the job. In this video, I'll share with you how I've stayed at the top of my game over 4 decades. And no matter what your age is, and why age is your secret weapon, not a limitation. So let's get one thing straight. Sales has no age limit. When I was younger, people doubted my experience. Now, since I'm older, people doubt my energy. But guess what? Closing deals has nothing to do with how old you are. It's about what's in here. Here's the truth. Experience, wisdom, and the ability to connect with people are timeless skills. If you've got those, you're unstoppable. So how have I stayed sharp after over 4 decades in the sales game? Here are my top 3 strategies. Number 1, never stop learning. See all those books back there? And I still have more to unpack to put in my bookshelf from my recent move. Remember, growth and comfort cannot coexist. Sales evolve, and so should you. Whether it's learning new tech, keeping up with trends, or improving my cold call opener, I've always invested in growth. Number 2, play to your strengths. Experience brings trust and relatability. I don't sell like a 25-year-old. I sell with stories, credibility, and authenticity. Number 3, energy is a mindset. Sales is about showing up with enthusiasm. I may be 70, but my passion for closing deals for my business and for my clients' businesses keeps me just as fired up as ever. And I love teaching people like you how to do the same. And if you're older, wisdom is your secret power. You've seen trends come and go. You've lived through economic highs and economic lows, and you know what your client needs way before they know what they need. And if you're younger, learn from those who have been there. Don't judge them because you think they're too old and are out of touch. Age isn't competition, it's collaboration. Together, we can make the sales world stronger. Whether you're 20, 50, or 70 like me, you can crush sales at any age.
Hi, this is Olivia Mitchell with Crouching Tigers. I hired Christine to cold call for my company, and she was able to sell 26 accounts in 9 days. I actually had to ask her to put the brakes on it as we needed to hire more staff. You will definitely benefit from Christine's course.
Your experience, passion, and commitment will always be your biggest assets. So if you're ready to level up no matter where you are in your sales career, let's connect. And if you struggle embarrassing yourself on cold calls, then learn more about cold calling by taking my cold call masterclass. The link is in the show notes below. Now, this video only solves one problem, and there's many, many more when it comes to selling. Let me recommend you check out this next video. It's another good one on confronting your fear of selling. Be sure and watch it next. And remember, stay savvy.